Hello everyone. In this video, you are going to see how to draw the development of surface of a cone. In the previous tutorial, we learned about the development of a cylinder. How to draw the cone, you are going to learn now. First of all, what is cone? As I said, the cone is having only one base and all the generators are connected to a point called apex point. And when the observer views from this side, the front view appears as a triangle and top view appears as a circle. I think now you got an idea of what is cone. We discussed in the previous tutorials also, like projection of solids. But when we are developing how it looks like, let us see. See guys, this is a cone, and when you cut one of the generators and when you unfold it, it looks like this one. The cone lateral surface looks like it's a sector, a portion from the circle, and this is called as the base because cone is having only one base, this one. So when you unfold, the development of a surface of a cone looks like this one. The same we are going to draw in the AutoCAD. As I said, first we will draw the orthographic projections. Front view is a triangle, top view is a circle. Okay, now let's draw this one. Dia 80 mm. So take circle. Okay. Now let us draw the front view. Height is 100 mm. Now I am connecting the extreme generators. Now I am drawing the base. Let us give the line weight for this. Okay. Let us give the notations also. A, lower base na, A, B, and this is the apex point, O, and coming to here, A dash, B dash, and then O dash, apex point. Perfect. We completed the orthographic projection. But to draw the development, you need to take or measure the slant or true length of the generator. This is the extreme generator. You need to measure the length of this one. This is 107.7 mm is the true length of the generator. Now to draw this one, you need to use this formula. Theta equals to small r by capital R into 360 degrees. What is the small r here? The radius of the base, that is 40. So small r equals to 40, capital R equals to true length of the generator 107.7 into 360 degrees. Now let's do the same. First, before going to this one, just I made a line parallel to this one. Now go for the calci, CALC calculator. Okay, small r 40 by what is capital R? 107.7 into 360 degrees. The length is, the angle is 133.704. So let us take 133.70. What is that angle here? This is the angle, subtended angle, theta equals to 133.70. So to draw this one, what I am going to do is that, you know the radius 107.7, the angle is 133 point, you can check it out, 133.70. Okay, so to do this one, what I am going to do is that I am going to take the arc. A stands for arc, C stands for center, specify center point. What is the radius? That slant or true length of the generator 107.7. Enter, just move the mouse. Now it is asking about the angle 133.7. Once again we'll check it out. What is the angle? Yeah, 133.7. A, enter, C, enter. specify center point 107.7, enter. Now the angle is 133.70. Perfect. You can see guys, connect this one. Now what I am going to do is that the length is 107.7 because that is the true length of the generator. Okay, now I am going to align this one to exactly this position. Select this one, AL means align, enter. First source point, first destination point, midpoint of the arc, second source point, second destination point, finished. Click on enter, click on no. Perfectly we made it. Now delete this one. Now let us give the line. I am giving the notation A exactly here, B, then A, and this one will be the O. DAN angle. The subtended angle is 133.70, and you can measure that generator length, that is 107.7. So this is all about how to construct or how to draw the development of a surface of the cone. That's it guys. Yeah, we forget to mention the base also. Copy, at any position you can keep it here. Sorry, it overlaps. We'll make it perfect. Yeah. So this is the true development of the surface of the cone. If you draw only this one, it is lateral surface of cone. If you include base also, then we can say that complete or net development of the cone. So remember this formula and then practice well. That's it guys.